Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create Microsoft Planner templates. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all your planning features and boards. Now, before we dive into creating templates, there's something important you need to know. Microsoft Planner doesn't actually have a built-in template creation feature. However, I have a workaround that will allow you to create and reuse templates effectively. This method involves duplicating existing plans, which gives you the same functionality as having a template system. To get started, look at the left side of your screen and click on My Plans. This will display all the plans you currently have in your Planner workspace. From here, you need to choose a plan that you want to use as your template. Think of this as your master plan that contains all the structure, lists, and tasks you want to reuse in future projects. Once you've selected the plan you want to turn into a template, click on the three dots next to that plan. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Rename. Now rename your plan to something that clearly identifies it as a template, such as Planner-template. This naming convention helps you quickly identify which plans are templates and which are active projects you're currently working on. Now that you've set up your template, let me show you how to use it. Every time you want to create a new plan based on your template, simply click on the template plan to open it. Once it's open, look at the top of the screen and click on the three dots there. This will reveal another menu with additional plan options. From this menu, click on Duplicate Plan. This is the key feature that makes this whole template system work. When you duplicate a plan, you're creating an exact copy of all the structure, buckets, tasks, and organization from your template. After clicking Duplicate Plan, a dialog box will appear asking you to input a plan name. Enter the name for your new plan based on whatever project you're working on. Once you've entered the name, click the Duplicate button to create your new plan. The system will take a moment to copy everything over, and once it's done, your new plan will be ready to use with all the structure from your template already in place. And that's it! You now know how to create and use templates in Microsoft Planner, even though there's no official template feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.